Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price, and believe it or not guys, there is one pattern finally I have been waiting for, which is about to break out today, and I will be talking about in what direction Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to break out today, to the upside or towards the downside. I have a very clear answer for that. Of course I am going to include my specific price targets, my trades, but more importantly there is a crossover looming on the Bitcoin charts, and this crossover, whenever it happens, we are seeing insane hundreds of percentages of a move for Bitcoin. We will be talking about that. We will be talking about the direction for that, and of course my expectations for Bitcoin and for Ethereum right now in the immediate short term. Make sure you are sitting down, you are scrolling down, you are smashing up the like button towards the new all-time high. We are getting recently crazy likes, crazy views, and also crazy feedbacks actually on our videos here. And I just love to go down, read your comments. I can tell you guys, this is what drives me to make these videos. This is what drives me to make even more videos per day here. So thank you so much for that. And now I want to go straight into the content for Bitcoin. And look at this. Actually, I asked my PA to send me over some comments here, and because I was just overwhelmed, I was searching out some myself, but it's just too many comments to keep track. Some people were, look at this guy. This guy actually longed Bitcoin at $1,500 and thanked me for the trading setup. I mean, it's always nice to make profits myself, right? But when I see you guys making profits, this is just mind-blowing. Look at this. I went long following your call from Twitter. This is why you're subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel. Currently up $61,000, waiting for the Ethereum trade setup for you. Much love, Chris. Well, we will be talking about the Ethereum trading setup in this video. This guy said, yeah, exactly as predicted. I paid my tuition fees following your trading setups. I was studying myself back in the days, so it's very nice to see that. Also, he bought Polkadot when I said it on Twitter, 6x up right now. It's crazy, man. I mean, look at all of these beautiful comments. I can't even read through all of them. This guy was thanking me for the Ethereum call, also many hundreds of percentages up. I mean, come on. This is just completely beautiful. I love to see all of that. You've been 100% spot on. I mean, I don't have to go through all of that, but you can see the thing, guys. I mean, the MMCrypto community is not only the most supportive, not only the most lovely, but also probably the most profitable community in the world. So I wanted to give a big shout out to you guys. By the way, before I'm going into the charts here, go down below into the comment section. In the very first comment, you will find $2,520 completely for free. If you click the Bybit link, for example, you get $1,610 for free after your initial deposit. You can claim the bonus, and you can trade with this free bonus on the platforms yourself. Of course, on the website you will see exactly what you have to do to claim the bonus. It takes like a minute in total to claim all of these different sub bonuses, actually going together to a $1,610 bonus. Now let's go straight into the content here, straight into the charts for Bitcoin. By the way, this is my trade. I actually didn't show it for a long time. This is my last trade open, the last man standing here after I took so many profits and also closed trades. $1.1 million here in contract size, and you can see 9 Bitcoin actually in profits here. So what is that actually? This is approximately $500,000 in profits. So I'm proud of this trade. It's actually nice to have at least one trade open, but of course I want to talk about my next trade looming for Bitcoin, and of course also for Ethereum. This is right now the hourly candles. We will start on the hourly, and then I will go over to the 4 hourly and show you this cross which is looming. First of all, you can see here on the hourly candles for Bitcoin that Bitcoin is dancing in between support and resistance, and we are seeing a pattern which is quite seldom. It doesn't happen every single time. Of course not, but I mean, it doesn't happen so often, because this is called an ascending broadening wedge. And of course, big disclaimer, it doesn't have the highest performance. So for example, if you have a symmetrical triangle with converging trend lines, it's maturing, you have support and resistance which are converging, and then the breakout is much more predictable and much more tradable. Here it is ascending and broadening actually, which makes it a little bit less of a good performance. Nevertheless, we can trade it, and nevertheless we can make profits from that. And it's just very hard to determine when is it over, because it is broadening and we don't have a real apex here. However, if Bitcoin continues this right towards the upside, we know where the next resistance is coming in, and this will be most probably at this is Ethereum actually, but the Bitcoin chart has the exact same pattern. For Ethereum at $2,780, and if I'm going over to Bitcoin, you can see the exact same pattern is looming over on Bitcoin, ascending broadening wedge, less of an ascending broadening one, but you can also pull it over like this. So you can see that the next resistance for Bitcoin, and I will talk about the price targets as well, will be coming in at $56,200, actually also converging within Fibonacci level. So let's keep it Bitcoin first, and then let's go over to Ethereum. And for this, I want to go over to the 4-hourly candles. I will, of course, talk about the measured move price target for this ascending broadening wedge, which you can see it much better on the hourly candles. But let's say the next few candles by today or tomorrow, it is going to break out. Then we would have to take it from here. We would have to take it from here. Let me pull it a little bit more down. Let me do this. Yeah, on the 4-hourly it's not that easy, but now you have to pull it up here, and at the point of the breakout, approximately $58,000 would be the breakout target towards the upside. Ascending broadening wedges usually break down towards the downside more often than towards the upside. If it breaks down, the price target is the bottom of the wedge, approximately at $52,600 for this specific trade. Staying here on the 4-hourly candles, and please stick here with me because I really want to talk about this this insane crossover which is about to happen, maybe not today, but very, very soon. And the last time it happened, it was many, many months ago, more than 6 months ago actually. You can see that the price target of our ascending broadening wedge, what a surprise once again, what a surprise, brings us at least the bullish one directly into the golden pocket, which I was quoting for a very long time, $58,000. So this is definitely a very interesting to watch for. But of course, the most important thing of that video is this crossover I was talking about for since the beginning of the video already. So let me pull out this EMA, this Turkey EMA. It's actually the 50-day EMA, the 50-period EMA on the 4-hourly, and the next one is the 200-period EMA on the 4-hourly. And what you can see here, and I want to give already a little bit of, I want to calm you down a little bit. This is a death cross here, right? A death cross usually is horrible, but on this time frame, on the 4-hourly, it's not that important. On the daily, yes, it's very important, but on the daily we are far away from that. On the 4-hourly, it is not that important. If we were to go back, you can see that there were many fake outs, many death crosses actually not giving us a bearish signal. However, that we had a death cross now means that if Bitcoin continues towards the upside, that we are going to see a golden cross soon. And the golden crosses, dear ladies and gentlemen, they are detrimental for Bitcoin. Let me quickly zoom out. The golden crosses, look at this. When did we have the golden cross? The last one, March, no, none in February, none in January. Like that was ages ago, right? And here we have to look at this. So the last one was exactly here on the 9th of October. And guess what? That's my birthday. There we had the last time. That was beautiful. I remember my birthday video. I was so bullish. And you can see what happened afterwards, right? I mean, my birthday was actually the exact day Bitcoin started this massive rise towards the upside. The exact day I opened my legendary trade, which gave me like 25 Bitcoin profits. And for you guys, probably accumulated 10,000 Bitcoin in profits, right? So we got this golden cross here. And ever since then, Bitcoin was just absolutely freaking bursting up towards the upside, like a 500% gain since my birthday here. And you can see that happens every time we are seeing this golden cross, the death crosses, as you can see it right here, not really detrimental for Bitcoin, but whenever we are seeing the golden cross, boom, Bitcoin having a massive gain towards the upside. So when is this, and I could go back and actually show it to you, representative only within bull markets actually, for every single pump for Bitcoin. So the next one is about to happen very soon, because this Turkey line, this is much more like, it moves much faster than the orange one, since it's only calculated by the last 50 periods on the 4-hourly. So the last 200 hours. So if Bitcoin actually pumps here more towards the upside, I am expecting within the next 2 or 3 days, maybe 4 or 5, within a week definitely, this golden cross to happen, and when this happens, I'm going full on bull mode. Also remember, yesterday I talked about the EMA ribbon on the daily, and of course if Bitcoin closes above the EMA daily ribbon, then of course I'm going even more full on bull mode, and I could personally open a multi-million-dollar long position once we are closing a daily candle above the EMA ribbon. I was talking about that already yesterday, 24 hours ago approximately. Make sure you check that out as well. I also wanted to give a quick shout out to Ethereum, which is, dang man, I don't get it. Like, it's so much more bullish than Bitcoin, and as you know, Ethereum is a leading indicator for Bitcoin. Don't get me wrong here, I would not go irrationally bullish here as long as we are not, first of all, breaking out of this trade here, and then second of all, for example, breaking back above the 200 EMA here, for example, which we are still below, and we are below the daily ribbon on the daily EMA ribbon. So since this is not happening, I wouldn't go completely crazy here, but Ethereum is at least giving us some bullish signals here. Right? Going over to Ethereum, you can see the exact same pattern actually looming, ascending broadening wedge. And if we were to break out of this ascending broadening wedge, let me pull out the price target here. Well, which one should we take here, right? It's very, very hard to say. Let's say it breaks out also within the next few days, then we would have to take this one. There are a few different measurement mechanisms how you can take, but I like this one the most. Historically, it was just the most accurate one. So we have two price targets, still the previous one, which I was quoting way a long time ago, 2,880, and the next one actually among the 3,000 US dollar levels. And why is the 3,000 US dollar levels one we can remember as a very prominent price target? Well, if I'm taking out the Fibonacci the Fibonacci measurement tool, then you can see here perfectly, like magic, the first price target actually being in perfect alignment with the 1.414. Wait a second, here, right there. And the second price target, what a surprise, in perfect alignment with the Fibonacci golden ratio. And of course, guys, once again, look out for rejections, only trade the breakouts, because we are seeing fake outs every now and then. Recently I was warning you about one, and then it of course happened. It was a bearish fake out. They happen much more often in the bull market than bullish fake outs. Nevertheless, be careful, but there are huge opportunities. There is a lot of volatility coming up, and we want to take advantage of that. So that being said, what a beautiful neighborhood here, right? I'm walking through a park. That being said, thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, use the links down below if you're an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of these links. For example, the Binance link. If you are signed up, just you typed in binance.com and you signed up, you're not even using a referral link. Come on, guys, make a new account, go down below, use the link right now. If you are not signed up on Binance yet, you can trade all the altcoins, and for Bitcoin, Ethereum, I'm personally using Bybit. I also have a link down below for that. You can get 1,610 US dollars for free, in total 2,520 US dollars, 40x leverage, 100,000 US dollar trade for free. I think this is a fair deal. You get a bonus, we get a bonus. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.